Mr. Rab, good morning. Thank you for having on this program. We're looking at Ilochukwu, a man that has just emerged, the chief imam in Natural Rock in Abuja. You know, what is it that actually the Fulanese are trying to achieve, or Tinubu himself trying to achieve with the appointment? Is he trying to create an atmosphere of inviting more Fulanese down to the east? Looking at what happened in Abuja recently.
If you look at their body language, they've tried Rugalization. Rugalization failed. They came up with idea of internally displaced people or persons camps. It failed. They went to Imo State. They used an empty healthcare facilities in Imo, to be, to house, for housing the internally displaced Fulani in the north, so that they will use that one to infiltrate Igbo land. It failed. This time around, they have come, giving an Igbo man the position of chief imam of National Mosque, Abuja. Then I begin to ask myself, what for? There are other positions. Finance ministry is there. The CBN is there. You have customs control general, customs operation and immigration. They are there. Oga Yoruba, all these ministries. Then National Mosque, Igbo man, chief imam, mockery, or do you call it hoax? Or is it just a fission? If you ask me, I'll tell you that it's a farce. F-A-R-C-E. Farce. Hoax. Because it's uncalled for. We've never learned about this kind of insult or mockery before in the history of Igbo race. Iliyasu Usman, his father, a Fulani man, married his mother in the bush, right in the bush, in Enugu axis of Igboeze local government, where Nsukka and the north have boundary. Iliyasu is a man in Igbo land, a man in Hausa land. Is on the border of the Hausa and Igbo. Okay, if you have 90 Igbo persons, out of that 90.5555 are Christians. 0.0000 can never ever be. Instead, they will be traditional worshippers. Oga is a mock. It's a mockery. The mockery of the 21st century. Employing Igbo man as a chief imam, National Mosque, Abuja, has actually, placed Igbo on this ridiculous angle that has never ever been in the history of Nigeria. Ridiculing Igbo race. Igbo man, chief imam. The best suggestion I'm coming out for federal government under Tinubu is go and remove Sultan of Sokoto and invite Alhaji Chukwuemeka from Ebonyi State
and give him Methodist church and preach there.
Yes, and give him the Sultan of Sokoto. Then invite Sultan of Sokoto. Remove the bishop of Seven Days Adventist Church and make Sultan of Sokoto the chief archbishop of Seven-Day Baptist Church, Adventist, so that Sultan of Sokoto will be preaching the word of God in that church. You people think that Igbos are so gullible. Some persons are saying that people that are that man that was given that position, whatever they want to chop, that is what they are looking for. If they could be in his position, now what I will chop now, chop. Igbo man not they look for what he will chop. We don't play politics of waiting I go chop. Now I they look for. We don't play that kind of politics in Igbo land. We are from a good society. We are from a very good society. Igbo culture and tradition will never go. Wiped out of the surface of the earth. It's a lie. Igbo is an institution. Igbo race is a study at the Harvard University, at Oxford University, UK, England. We are not chop people. Oga Chief Imam of National Mosque Abuja his name is Iliyasu Usman. They bought that name over to make it look like as if everything is right. Oga, Igbo local government, go and check them. They are bordering the north in Nsukka. Are you listening to me? You have this kind of people there whose legs are in the north, in the southeast. Oga, his mother must be an Hausa man. His father must be an Igbo. Go and investigate.
Yes, I learned that he studied Arabics in preparation to that, you know, but the way and manner he ascended that position under Tinubu's administration tells a lot of stories, you know. What is it? Are they trying to position him to signal? Are they trying to pass a certain signal that Igbos are not Christian? Just like they want to achieve that Nigeria is an Islamic state.
Yeah. They have achieved that anyway. Last year they have achieved, Islamization of Nigeria, of the heart, but not in the reality. Why? The Muslim tickets accepted by every canal in Nigeria has spelled Nigeria out as one of the Islamic states of West African countries. Chetima is a Muslim. Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a Muslim, Alhaji. So this time around, it has played out on us. Since 1960, we used to have it mixed up. I mean, whoever is president should be baptized by who?
A Christian or a Muslim.
A Muslim. Muslim and Christians are always on that seat. Not Muslim, not Christian. I promise this for Nigerians. If you know actually that you are a real country, the next presidential election, after APC party is gone or fizzled out, let the president be Christian. Let the deputy be Christian. Do you hear that? How do you think the Hausa? How do you think the Fulani? All these ethnic bigots in the north are going to take it. When a president is Christian, a vice president is Christian, they are entering the Igbo land. They want to use sex evangelism to Islamize the Igbos. They want to use this kind of craft, skimming, to skim into Igbo land and make sure that they Islamize the entire southeastern Nigeria. Usman could never be used as a tool successfully. He is just doing his business as a man that has Igbo blood in him. After becoming the chief imam of National Mosque, Abuja, Ilyasu is going to his normal business. Listen. There are many Igbos in Kuwait. There are Muslims there marrying Kuwait women in their great numbers. And after transacting their money, their business, they corner all their money to southeastern Nigeria and remove that garment of Islamism in them and become their normal Christians whom they are. It is very, very impossible for an Igbo man, 100% paternity Igbo, 100% maternity Igbo to become a Muslim. It is an aberration, abomination of the highest order in Igbo land. See, they give this man that post, and what gave him such name, so that the race Igbo will be particularized, seen as Muslim race. But it is a lie. We know where we came from. We exuded from Egypt. Same time when they were coming out of slavery from Egypt, we left with our kinsmen, descendant of Gad, the fifth son of Jacob, and they migrated into the lower part of River Niger. We stayed there and we expanded till date. We are no Muslims and we can never be. Okay? I can't join Muslim Islam because I want chop.
Yeah, you
somebody said here. Somebody came and said it here that anybody is right to join any group, any religion. That people are looking for what chop. Okay, I'm from southeastern Nigeria. I'm not looking for chop. The whole world, the stage, the science and technology era we are now is above that. Chop. No. We are looking for what we are going to achieve. What I'm going to achieve is what I'm looking for. I'm looking forward to migrate, to navigate from the earth into the moon and take picture, selfie, and come back to the earth. The world has graduated above chop, 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 chop. I'm not going to chop. I'm going to achieve. An Igbo man that has made himself Muslim is looking for money. Are you listening to me? I'm from Anambra State. We are 150% 0.0000 Christians. We are the first people, my clan, my kinsmen from Agulere, that has produced scent on the continent of Africa. Scent, dance, Iwene, Oga, Islam, Kosi, Bar, Mba. No, I turned my back on that. No, not of that. No. Thank you.